So this is Brutus, starting him up on a 30-degree day. He has not run yet today. I did have him out yesterday. Battery power's on, ignition switch is on. We'll see how he starts on a cold day. And popped right up, no problem. Of course, when he's cold, he does do that. Got to keep the RPMs up till he warms up a bit. Okay, so now things are warmed up a bit. Temperature's up to 180, which is what the thermostat is. My apologies for the S10 steering wheel. That's going to be replaced soon. I'm just going down a dead-end road here, and we'll get it up to speed so you can hear it. It's a little loud because of a crack in the exhaust manifold, but other than that, it seems to run well. Videotaping while I'm driving. Up to about 25 miles an hour now. Into fourth gear. There's about 35. A 230 engine in a vehicle this heavy, it does pretty well. It's not a speed demon, none of them are. I've got 11 by 16 tires, which are oversized, so it brings up the top end a little, but reduces some of the torque. I've been happy with them because of the ground clearance in the running in the woods. 40 miles an hour, still runs smoothly, but it is loud. All of them are loud, but mine's even louder than normal. Does run nicely, starts nicely. If you leave it sit for a couple weeks and then try to start it, it takes a bit of cranking to get the fuel to the engine and get it going.